Hi everyone, wondering how to fix iPhone stuck on loading screen? You are welcome here to follow this video and solve the problem. To get started, download and install FixGo onto your computer. Connect your iPhone with it. Select the standard mode and click Fix Now to begin. Click Download to begin downloading the latest iOS firmware for the device. The firmware file is large, so it will take some time to complete. After downloaded the firmware package, click Fix Now to continue. iToolab FixGo is repairing your device now. Just hold on. Once finished, your iPhone will be restarted automatically. Finally, click Done to finish. Congratulations, you fixed iPhone stuck on loading screen successfully.